Whether you're installing a new clothes dryer or just tuning up the one you have, we have an add-on suggestion that can improve efficiency and safety.
Dryer vent hookups can be problematic for a number of reasons, whether it's limited space or kinked transition hoses. Making this connection more reliable and safer is our goal for today.
That's right. If your connection isn't secure, when running the dryer, this bad connection can fill the house with humidity. And with a gas dryer, you could also get carbon monoxide spilling into your house.
This is a magnetic vent connector and can help you avoid these problems and helps you improve efficiency. By not losing the dryer-produced heat to a bad connection, it makes the drying process more cost-effective and efficient, often lowering dryer times altogether.
The ease of connecting and disconnecting also means the vent pathway is easier to get to and clean, decreasing the chance of buildup and potential for a fire hazard.
Let's start by getting into the space and unplugging the dryer itself for safety. When using the 180-degree or straight connection, you need to make sure that the dryer exhaust port and the wall exit point are in alignment, at least within a couple of inches. If the offset is more than that, you may need a connector that provides you a 90-degree ductwork turn to make the connection. Pull out the dryer and remove the current transition hose. Use this opportunity to do a little cleanup. Vacuum the back of the dryer and clear the outlet on the dryer and the wall exit of any visible dust or lint buildup.
You might need to cut the end of the duct system so it sits flush with the wall. In this case, we don't need to.
Hold the mounting bracket to the wall, centered around the wall exit point. Mark the screw holes on the wall. If the bracket is on the drywall, screw in the self-tapping anchors to receive the screws in the marked locations. In this case, we're going into the baseboard. Holding the bracket in place, drive the screws into the receivers to secure the bracket in place. Insert the tail piece of the magnetic hookup into the wall exit and press until it clicks securely into the bracket.
This half is a little easier. Securely attach the dryer side union to the dryer exhaust port using the supplied hose clamp. Extend the hose with a slight tug. Plug the dryer back in and push it back into position, taking care to aim the magnetic rings together as directly as possible. The magnets will self-align and complete the duct connection. Take a quick look behind the dryer to ensure it's properly sealed, and you're done. It's easy to see how this is a much more clean and efficient connection than an easily kinked transition hose. Smooth pipe components are now the majority of the vent path.
This will collect less dust and lint and reduce the possibility of a fire hazard. It will also stay cleaner longer, and a clean pathway means more efficient operation of the dryer.
The dryer is now less likely to overheat, which will extend the appliance's life while at the same time saving energy and money.
It may be time to take a look behind your dryer and see if your venting situation might benefit from a product like this one. Sometimes a small change can make all the difference in efficiency and safety.
Cleaning your dryer vent regularly will help improve your dryer's efficiency, thus lowering the amount of power it consumes. Homeowners who clean their dryer vent periodically can save up to 30% on their energy bills.